learning is the science of getting computers to act without being explicitly programmed. At its core are two powerful approaches that shape how AI learns about our world: supervised and unsupervised learning. Let's explore them in more detail. First up, supervised learning. The key word here is supervised. Imagine you're a teacher guiding a student. You provide specific examples with correct answers, and the student learns to generalize from them. That's exactly how supervised learning works. We feed a machine learning model what's called labeled data. Data that's already been tagged with the correct outcome. The model's goal is to learn the mapping function that turns the input data into the correct output label. A classic example is spam detection in your email. The model is trained on countless emails, each pre-labeled as either spam or not spam. It learns to associate certain words or link patterns with spam, so it can accurately predict whether a new email is junk. But it goes far beyond emails. In medical imaging, supervised learning models can be trained on thousands of scans labeled by radiologists as showing a tumor or being healthy. The algorithm learns to identify the subtle patterns indicating disease, assisting doctors in making faster, more accurate diagnoses. Another critical application is in autonomous driving. A self-driving car's AI is trained on millions of images labeled with objects like pedestrian, car, or stop sign. This supervision allows the car to see and understand the world around it. Now, what if we don't have labels? What if we want the machine to find interesting patterns on its own? That's where unsupervised learning comes in. Here, there's no teacher and no answer key. The algorithm is given unlabeled data and tasked with finding the underlying structure within it. Think about a streaming service's recommendation engine. It looks at your viewing history and compares it to millions of other users. It can find clusters of users with similar tastes. If you and a group all love sci-fi thrillers and they just watched a new one, the system will likely recommend it to you. It discovered a group you belong to. Another powerful use is in fraud detection. Banks use unsupervised learning to analyze financial transactions. The algorithm learns what normal transaction patterns look like. When a transaction occurs that deviates significantly from this pattern, it gets flagged as a potential anomaly. It's also fundamental to market research, where it can sift through customer data to identify distinct customer segments for more effective marketing. So, to put it simply, supervised learning is about prediction. It learns from a labeled past to predict the future. Unsupervised learning is about discovery. It explores unlabeled data to find hidden patterns. Both are fundamental pillars of modern artificial intelligence, powering the smart technology we use every day.